I'm so excited. I'm on my way. Well, we are on our way. Howie's with me. Howie, say hello. We are on our way to go see my sister and my niece. And my sister is also pregnant. So we haven't seen each other in person because she lives in New York with our baby bumps yet. And I'm like so excited to see her and to see my little nephew in there and say hello and for the cousins to meet. So it's gonna be a great day and I'm gonna bring you along. Look at this mommy